Alright guys, today we're going to be meeting up with some buddies. We got a friend with the 2013 Mustang, similar to mine. He has a similar setup, Cobra Jet and all that. And he's going to be racing one of our other friends. Well, he has a C63, one of the V8 ones. I mean all of them are V8 now, I think, but the original 6.2, the non-turbo one, I think it's like the 2008 models, like the W204 body style. But yeah, it's gonna be some quick runs. I'm gonna give them the GoPro. I'm gonna give I think the Mustang owner, I'll give him the GoPro, and we'll see how he does against the C63 AMG.